Hi there, Tiffany here from Daisy Farm Crafts, and today I just want to do a quick tutorial on Hannah's Crochet Cuddly Stripes blanket. We are using Bernat Baby Velvet from yarnspirations.com, and they have sent us this yarn to play with and design something with, and Hannah has come up with this darling little blanket. Now the picture that you see in the blog post and the thumbnail on YouTube is made with a blue color, and it's called Wandering Blue, but I did not have that color with me. So to do a sample for you, I just had this beautiful teal color, and let's see, it's called Seafoam. It's kind of like a light minty color. I'm using an H size hook, and of course the cream color is called Cuddly Cloud, and the gray color is called Misty Gray. And it's super soft. We love working with Bernat Baby Velvet. Even though we have had problems with some of our loops coming out, or just getting snagged and pulled a little bit. And we've gone back and forth. We've washed it and the loops do come through a little bit. We've tightened our tension. That seems to help a lot. But the overall soft factor, Hannah and I were talking, we're just like, you know what? We're just going to embrace the few loops that do pull loose. It doesn't make the whole blanket unravel because this is just so soft and cuddly. So just want to put that out there just in case that is something that bothers you or frustrates you. You can, know ahead of time. So let's get started, and I'm just going to do a little practice swatch. Now in the pattern, she has you start with a chain of 111. So any odd number works. So you can make your chain as long as you would like it. Today's little tutorial, I am just going to put 11 chains on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is a really, really simple pattern. The only thing about velvet is that it's just so hard to see where you insert your hook. So it's not exactly beginner friendly yarn, but don't shy away from it. If you just want to try, you just kind of have to feel your way for the loops. So we're going to start in the second chain from the hook with a single crochet. And then the next chain is a half double crochet where you yarn over first, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Then go back to the single crochet. And that's what our pattern will be. It's alternating single crochet and half double crochet. So fairly straightforward. So single crochet is where you just insert your hook and then yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Half double crochet, you're yarning over first and then inserting your hook, yarning over, pulling up a loop, and then pulling through 3 loops on your hook. So it's just a tiny bit of a difference. Single crochet and then half double crochet. And of course, I use US terms. I am in Arizona, and my daughter is in New Mexico, Hannah, and that's why I don't have her beautiful blanket with me. Now the last stitch will be a half double crochet. So remember that for the end of every row, your last stitch will be a half double crochet. Now we're just going to chain 1, turn your work, and we're just going to repeat that same sequence, except you'll notice that your single crochet will be worked into the top of that half double crochet. So try and find those 2 loops to work under, and then yarn over and find the 2 loops of the single crochet to work under. So single crochet. And you kind of, as I was making up the swatch, you really do get a feel for the stitches. Kind of have to, you kind of can feel that half double crochet is a little bit thicker, and then there's a little less down there so that you can insert, you know, so you can kind of keep that straight. So single crochets are worked into the tops of half double crochets, and half double crochets are worked underneath the tops of the single crochets from the row below. And here I am at the very last stitch. I'm going to yarn over, and this time, before I finish pulling through this last step, I am going to add in sorry, let me grab the end of my seafoam color. And how you add yarn, really simply, if you've never seen it before, is that I just simply lay the yarn over the hook, just like that. Kind of give yourself a long tail that you'll be weaving in later. Kind of pinch the yarn and pull it through. And that's all. Now we're not going to cut the Cuddly, or yeah, was it Cuddly Cloud? Yeah, we're not going to cut that. We're going to carry it up the side because we're only working 2 rows of each color to get the stripes. So I just chained 1. I'm going to turn. And now I'm going to just start working the exact same way. Single crochet and then a half double crochet. Going to work down and back. So you can refer to the pattern on our website. We have the link down in the description on YouTube. And obviously, if you're seeing this on our website, you're already there. And so all of the amounts of yarn and the size of the blanket are listed there. And so I encourage you to, click that link if you have any questions. I just chained 1 and turn. So what I think I'm going to do, I get a lot of questions from beginners about how to weave in the ends. So I'm going to show you how to carry the yarn up the side, and then I'll go back to my little sample, and I'm going to show you how I weave in the ends. Then I really think you are on your way to doing this super easy, fun, little cuddly stripe blanket. And I really think you'll be happy with the results because it is so soft, and it's really, can't even explain it to you. It's almost like, and it's like just a little string that's running through there. So it's really easy to crochet with too. Stop right there. That was my last stitch. That was my last half double crochet. I'm not even going to cut the seafoam either. So I'm going to find that tail of the Cuddly Cloud, the cream color, and I'm just going to wrap it over the hook like this and gently, kind of adjust the tension so that I know it's just coming up the side of the work. And I'll pull on the other seafoam to kind of lock that down. And now I'm just going to drop the seafoam, do my 2 rows with the Cuddly Cloud, and come back and carry the seafoam back up the side. Now the only time that I cut yarn is after I'm done using all the seafoam. So we have you use the seafoam for 4 rows. I'll show you on the sample again. So yeah, I think you've got it. So I'm just alternating half double crochet, single crochet. Okay. And I said this was an H hook. I hope I did. All right, here's our sample swatch again. So what she did is she did work 4, color changes and then pulled through with the gray. So you actually never have to cut the Cuddly Cloud, and that will help you so much with saving time on weaving in the ends. It really helps. Okay, I'm going to grab a tapestry needle. It has a blunt end over here and then a really large eye. That helps to feed the yarn through easily. So I'm just grabbing a tail, sticking it through my hook, and I just weave in and out as many stitches as I can. There actually is no right way or wrong way other than you're disguising the yarn within the work, you know, kind of keeping your tension, whatever. And I just go in and out anywhere I want. And with this velvet yarn, it's super easy. I like to kind of go under several stitches at a time, kind of bring that out, backtrack my work, do it again. And I will do this at least, you know, with velvet yarn, with it being so slippery, I would do it extra if I were you. I mean, and that's what I like to do, is just keep doing it extra, maybe 6, 7 times back and forth. Maybe just go under one and go under a couple more, and really, really get that yarn to be hidden in there and to get to be a little bit more secure. So that's all I do. And then once I'm done, kind of adjust the tension again. Just grab any pair of scissors and clip it close to the fabric, and you're done. And those ends stay in there. So that is all. Thank you for coming by our website and our YouTube channel. We're still just getting used to getting our videos on YouTube, so we're really thankful for any new subscriber, and thank you for your patience as we continue to learn this technology. Well, at least me. So anyway, enough. Okay, you guys have a good day. Bye.